ready for the return of the World Auto Parts Sourcing Hub at Thailand International Auto Parts and Accessories Show, or TAPA 2025. Under the concept of Sustainable for the Future, featuring cutting-edge and eco-friendly technologies for a sustainable change. TAPA 2025 is a platform for trade opportunities, enabling businessmen and key players in the auto parts industry to meet, negotiate, and expand their business horizon. With a complete range of products and services from over 500 leading manufacturers in 1,000 booths across an expansive space of over 20,000 square meters. Seminars and other activities also await you at TAPA 2025 to update the trends, knowledge, technologies, and innovations in the development of auto parts and accessories. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind opportunity at TAPA 2025. April 3rd to 5th, 2025 at EH 101-104 BITEC, Bangkok. For more information, click www.thailandautopartsfair.com.